Winter is on its way, and getting your pool ready for the winter season may seem like a horrible task. We're going to guide you through the process and make it super simple. First, we start out with some prep work. Check your winter pool cover for any possible damages. Next, we like to wait until the water is below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Doing this reduces the likelihood of algae growth. You're going to want to let your pH levels sit around 7.4 and 7.6 as well, as to make sure that the total alkalinity and calcium levels aren't too out of line. Plaster pool owners need to make sure their CSI is balanced according to colder water temperatures. This may mean increasing your pH before closing. Doing this makes everything generally easier as it brings more balance. 2 or 3 days before closing the pool, bring the shock level up and hold it there overnight. Next, let the chlorine levels drop to half normal levels. Now, the longer parts are over. From here on out, this will only take about a day. Of course, getting a person or two to help you will make it move much faster. Add the startup dose of Polyquat 60. Be sure to follow the package directions. We give it about a half an hour to mix with the pump running before we start to drain the pool. Clean up as many leaves and messes as possible. Don't forget to store ladders, toys, or patio furniture away for the winter too. Next, take out the pool cover and fill the water bags to about half or 2/3 of the way full. Drain the water down to the correct levels for your pool. The correct level will vary depending on your type of cover and what you use to seal up the skimmer. Remove any items such as the skimmer basket and eyeballs. Now blow out the lines. This is much easier with the shop vacuum. We let it go until nothing is coming out of the return but a very fine mist. Remove drain plugs from the pump, filter, and heater. Next, we like to add pool antifreeze or RV antifreeze, not automotive antifreeze. 1 gallon per 10 to 15 feet of pipe. Finally, cover the pool as well as the pump. Put the water bags around the corners and edges of the pool cover. Remove any leaves that may fall on the cover later, and you're all set.